Artificial intelligence is changing how people work faster than almost any technology in history. Just a few years ago, most people had never used an AI assistant. Today, millions of people rely on artificial intelligence every single day. Students use AI to study faster. Businesses use AI to automate work. Creators use AI to produce videos and content. Developers use AI to write software. One of the most famous AI tools in the world is ChatGPT. ChatGPT can answer questions. It can write articles. It can explain complicated ideas. It can even generate code. But here is something interesting. Many professionals no longer rely on just one AI tool. Instead, they combine multiple AI tools depending on the task they want to complete. Some AI tools are better for research. Some are better for creating images. Some specialize in video production. And others are designed to dramatically increase productivity. In this video, we will explore 10 powerful AI tools that in many situations are even more powerful than ChatGPT. We will start from number 10 and work our way to the most impressive tool at number 1. Some of these tools can save hours of work every week. Some can completely transform how you create content. And the final tool might completely change how you search and analyze information online. So make sure you stay until the end. Let's start with tool number 10. Tool number 10. The first tool on our countdown is Perplexity AI. Perplexity is often described as the future of search engines. Traditional search engines show you a list of links. Then you have to open those links and read multiple articles. Perplexity works differently. Instead of just showing links, it gives you a direct answer. You type a question. The AI analyzes information from many different sources. Then it generates a clear summary with references. For example, imagine you want to learn about electric vehicles. Normally, you might read 5 or 6 articles. With Perplexity, the AI summarizes the information instantly. Students use it for research. Entrepreneurs use it for market analysis. And professionals use it to quickly understand complex topics. But research is only one area where AI tools are evolving. The next tool focuses on creativity. And it might completely change how images are created. Tool number 9. The next tool on our list is Midjourney. Midjourney is one of the most advanced AI image generators available today. Instead of writing text responses like ChatGPT, it creates images. You simply describe what you want to see. For example, you could type a prompt like futuristic cyberpunk city at sunset. Within seconds, the AI generates detailed artwork. Graphic designers use Midjourney to explore creative concepts. Content creators use it to design thumbnails and social media visuals. Game developers use it to visualize environments. Some artists even use it as inspiration for paintings. But images are only the beginning. The next AI tool takes things one step further. It can actually generate videos. Tool number 8. The next platform is Runway ML. Runway is an AI tool designed for video creation. You can describe a scene using text. Then the AI generates a video clip based on that description. Imagine typing a prompt like cinematic drone flying over a futuristic skyline. Within seconds, the AI produces a video concept. Runway also allows creators to remove backgrounds automatically. It can generate visual effects, and it can even transform existing videos. Filmmakers and content creators are already experimenting with these tools. But visuals are only part of digital content. Audio is just as important. The next AI tool focuses on voice generation. Tool number 7. The next tool is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs creates extremely realistic AI voices. You type text into the system. The AI converts the text into natural-sounding speech. Many of these voices sound almost identical to real human narration. YouTube creators use this tool to produce voiceovers for faceless videos. Businesses use it for advertisements and marketing. Game developers use it to create character voices. Podcasters use it to experiment with narration styles. But content creation also involves writing. And the next AI tool specializes in marketing content. Tool number 6. The next platform is Jasper AI. Jasper is designed specifically for marketing and content writing. It can generate blog posts, social media captions, email marketing campaigns, and product descriptions. Companies often need large amounts of content. For example, an online store might need hundreds of product descriptions. Instead of writing everything manually, the AI generates drafts instantly. Marketing teams then edit and refine the content. But productivity is not just about writing content. It is also about organizing ideas and managing information. Tool number 5. The next tool is Notion AI. Notion is a powerful productivity platform. It combines notes, project management, task tracking, and knowledge organization. With AI integration, it becomes even more powerful. You can paste a long document into Notion. The AI can summarize it instantly. It can also generate task lists and action items. Teams use tools like this to stay organized. But presentations are another important part of modern work. And the next AI tool can create presentations automatically. Tool number 4. The next platform is Tome. Tome allows users to generate presentations using AI. Instead of designing slides manually, you describe your topic. The AI creates slides automatically. It organizes the information. It suggests layouts. And it adds images. Students use this tool for school presentations. Entrepreneurs use it to pitch business ideas. Professionals use it for reports and meetings. But the next tool is especially powerful for developers. Tool number 3. The next tool on our list is GitHub Copilot. Copilot acts like an AI partner for programmers. As developers write code, the AI suggests entire lines and functions. This dramatically speeds up software development. Programmers often describe Copilot as having an AI pair programmer. It helps them solve problems faster, and it reduces the time needed to write complex code. But the next AI tool is designed to compete directly with ChatGPT. Tool number 2. The next platform is Google Gemini. Gemini integrates deeply with many Google services. It can help summarize Gmail messages. It can generate documents. It can analyze data from spreadsheets. Because it connects with the Google ecosystem, it can become a powerful productivity assistant. But the final AI tool on this list might be the most impressive of them all. And many professionals are already switching to it. Tool number 1. The most powerful tool on our list is Claude. Claude is known for its ability to analyze extremely large documents. For example, it can process entire research papers. It can summarize long reports. It can explain complex ideas in detail. Many researchers prefer it for deep analysis tasks because it can process huge amounts of information at once. Artificial intelligence tools are evolving incredibly fast. Each tool has unique strengths. Some focus on creativity, some focus on productivity, and others focus on research and analysis. The real power comes from combining multiple AI tools together. People who learn how to use these tools effectively will have a huge advantage in the future. Artificial intelligence is not replacing human creativity. It is amplifying it. And those who learn to work alongside AI will be able to accomplish more than ever before. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI tools and technology content. And I am curious, which AI tool from this list would you try first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.